Ever felt like your productivity is orbiting around in circles? Like you're constantly chasing tasks, but never quite reaching escape velocity? Well, you're not alone. We all struggle with staying focused in today's hyperconnected world. But what if I told you there's a celestial body out there, a digital sanctuary, designed to help you reclaim your focus and achieve peak productivity? Enter Lunar. Lunar is a revolutionary productivity app that's not just another to-do list. It's a cosmic guide, a digital compass that helps you navigate the complexities of modern work. Imagine a workspace that's not just functional, but beautiful. A place where your tasks aren't just entries in a list, but shimmering constellations, guiding you towards your goals. That's Lunar. So, how do you embark on this celestial journey? Let's dive in. 1. Celestial Sign-up. Start by visiting the Lunar website or downloading the app. Signing up is a breeze, and you'll be greeted by a user interface that's as elegant as it is intuitive. 2. Define your orbit. The core of Lunar revolves around your orbit. This is your personalized workspace, a digital canvas where you'll map out your goals and track your progress. Think of it as your own personal universe, waiting to be explored. 3. Chart your course. Within your orbit, you'll create missions. These are your high-level objectives, the constellations that guide your journey. Break down these missions into smaller, more manageable tasks, the individual stars that illuminate your path. 4. Embrace the power of focus. Lunar's true magic lies in its ability to help you maintain focus. Utilize the focus mode to eliminate distractions and create a dedicated space for deep work. This digital sanctuary shields you from the noise of notifications and the allure of social media, allowing you to achieve a state of flow. 5. Track your progress. As you complete tasks and achieve milestones, Lunar meticulously tracks your progress. Visualize your accomplishments with stunning progress bars and celebratory animations. Witnessing your own growth is incredibly motivating and reinforces positive habits. 6. Customize your cosmic experience. Lunar is highly customizable. Personalize your workspace with a color palette that inspires you, choose a background image that reflects your mood, and adjust settings to optimize your workflow. This is your universe, and you have the power to shape it. 7. Explore the galaxy. Beyond the core features, Lunar offers a galaxy of additional tools to enhance your productivity. Experiment with timers, reminders, and integrations with other apps to streamline your workflow and maximize your efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, may your productivity always reach for the stars.